Nanay!
Hi, Nanay. Happy 95th birthday. We're thinking of you today here in Vancouver. I hope you have a really great birthday party, and I hope you enjoy yourself today. We miss you lots.
Nay, maligayang kaarawan sa inyo. Sa inyo na 25 taon. Mapula pa baga ang inyong kuko. Baka ay puro cutex. Okay? Mahaba pa ang inyong buhay. Teka muna, nagang inyong pakulos diyan. Okay? Maligayang kaarawan.
Nay, happy birthday! Hindi ako nakarating, pero yung gift ko na kay Luisa. Makapagkapag din yun ha, bilangin nyo ng husay. Pag nagkulang yun, hingin nyo kay Luisa. Kinupit niya yon. Okay? Happy birthday. I really miss you, Inay. Love you, Inay.
Bye!
Bye! We love you so much!
Bye!
Hi, Nanay! Happy 95th birthday! So sorry that I wasn't able to be there with everybody, but I'm hoping you're having the best time at the handaan, being surrounded by all this love. And I hope that soon I get to see you and we get to celebrate many more birthdays to come. I miss you so much. And I just wish the best for you, Nanay. Many more years of prosperity, happiness, wealth, health, everything. Bye, Nanay!
Happy birthday, Nanay! Wishing you lots of health, lots of happiness, and lots of money on your very special day. We're so sorry we're not able to come to your birthday and visit you, but we just wanted to tell you happy birthday, and we love you so very much, and we hope you have lots of fun with lots of food at the handa. We'll come visit you next time. Bye! Love you!
Hi! Happy birthday, Nanay! We're sorry we couldn't make it, and we hope to see you soon.
Happy 95th birthday, Nanay! Baby Asher and I couldn't make it, but you are in our thoughts on this special day. Our wish for you is to always stay happy and cheerful. Sabi nga sa Proverbs 17 verse 22, joyful heart is a good medicine, but a sad spirit dries up the bones. Maligayang kaarawan po. Bye!
Happy birthday, Inay. I love you.
Hello everyone! Happy birthday, Inay, sa iyong 95th na kaarawan. It's a great blessing for all of us, your children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren, to see you na malakas at masaya at na-reach mo ang 95 years. Wishing you the best of health and more blessings to come. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal at mga aral na itinuro mo po sa amin. We feel blessed indeed. We love you, Inay. Have a great day. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Inay, happy birthday po. We love you. We miss you.
Hey! We love you!
Tisoy, greet Inay.
Happy birthday!
Yan, makukulit niyo po ang apo sa tuhod.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Lola Nainay!
Wishing you more birthdays to come.
And good health and more money. Yes, happy birthday, Lola Nainay.
Ang pambihira sa naging buhay ng ating pamilya. At ito ay sinisiguro ko.
Ano nito?
Nakilang pamay, hindi na rin katatin ang pangyayari.
That's the best.
Ay, nakaw na kapalagahan. At sa kagating mananatiling sariwa, buhay sa aming puso at kalooban. Merry Christmas!